still there. Is there any naaabangan na mga intimate or kissing scene? May ganun bang aabangan dito yung mga fans ninyo? Tulad ng ginawa nyo late joke. Nag-trending lately, di ba? May ganun bang pasabog? Parang ganyan.
AI o AI? Ang intimate, paano ba? The story kasi is, siguro sasagutin ko na muna, Sir Alan, secret.
Surprise!
Surprise. Pero I think makakakita sila ng ganun sa amin na side. Pero hindi ko lang kaklaruhin kung saang part. Pero malapit na rin nilang makita. And siguro it's time na iparamdam o iparanas namin, lalo na sa mga nagmamahal sa amin, nakasuporta sa amin throughout our careers. Tingin ko deserve nilang makita yung clingy side ng Francet. Pagdating sa scene, okay? Sa scene.
Basta may something sa scene.
So,
Baka may sasabihin si Francine. Meron ba? Oo. Wala. Siya na yung sumagot. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Alan Sancon. Next question will be from Miss Natalie Tomada of the Philippine Star.
Hello, good afternoon. Well, my question is for Sir Bobby Andrews. So, siguro, maybe some of the younger ones here don't know na ikaw din, you belong to one of the top love teams.
Teen icon.
Yeah, back in the 90s, di ba? TJS, Wax, and di ba, Peachy. But, well, you know, from your end, observing, looking, and working with Francine and Seth, anong mga na-observe? What have you observed about their chemistry on and off screen?
The dynamics now compared during the 90s and today are so different. Unfortunately, Francine, wala kang eksena together, kulang, you know. But in terms of dynamics, seeing them together outside the shoot, during moments na kasama lang yung cast, or what you see on screen is how they are in real life. You know, they're really sweet. I don't know what the score is, but I don't know what's going on. But and it brings you back to the way back na, alam mo, they have a good working relationship and they're friends, because it's very important na to have a love team. You have to be friends first before lovers.
Oh, friends before lovers ba dapat, sir?
Yes.
Hanap muna tayo ng friend.
Yeah. Okay.
Reaction, Francet. Yun yung second question. Friends daw before lovers.
yeah, we're friends same time. Teka lang. Kayo, yung mga nasa taas talaga, sila yung mga ano eh. Hindi, minsan po, I'll be honest, friends, sometimes, enemy, sometimes hindi kami magkasundo, but the roots of this is we respect each other. Yeah. The connection is there. Alam po namin yung ginagawa namin, and yeah, sa tingin ko yun naman yung tamang gawin, na lalo na sa paggawa ng pelikula. Hindi lang kailangan nyo ng trust ng isa't isa, and pinagtrabahuan po namin kung nasaan kami ngayon. The wall between us before too high, tapos ngayon pinababa ko siya, o naghagdan ako para maabot ko yung wall na yun. So
Nag-adjust siya.
So, yeah, and I'm happy na, thank you kay Sir Bobby, na yun din yung pinapakita namin, yun yung energy na binabato namin sa lahat ng katrabaho namin. Kasi importante yun eh, the way they see you, yung aura mo, pagpasok mo pala ng set, hindi ka pa naka-makeup, kailangan yung presensya mo, malaking tulong yun. Hindi yung bigat yung mararamdaman sa'yo ng buong tao, dapat ikaw yung pinakamagaan doon. So, magdo-domino effect yun, and yun po, yun lang naman.
So the break na ni Seth talaga yung walls, no?
Hindi po, hindi ko totally binrake. Nagtira ako ng wall ng personal niya. So, yung respect ko, andun pa rin.
Sana all na lang talaga.
Diba?
Pero si react naman daw, tinatanong ako dito ng mga katabi ko, kailangan mo daw. React naman na sinabi ni Seth.
Siguro po dun sa part na yung breaking the walls, pareho naman po nag-adjust. Kasi parang hindi naman po mag-meet din yung dalawang tao kung hindi rin naman gugustuhin makipag-ayos ng isang party, di ba? But yun po, kapag po receive po kami ng mga ganong comments, lalo po galing kay Tito Bobby, sobrang ano na lang ba? Hindi dito, kay Sir Bobby. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso kasi parang syempre pag may ginagawa po kaming trabaho, sobrang focus po namin doon. Minsan nga po tingin ko parang sobrang seryoso na nang nakikita sa akin ng mga katrabaho namin. And to hear that, nakakatuwa lang pong marinig. And yun, we always give our best kasi hindi lang naman po namin to ginagawa para sa sarili namin eh. Ginagawa din po namin to para sa mga katrabaho din po namin, sa lahat na naghihirap din. For sure po nahihirapan kami, minsan mas may nahihirapan pa po. Kasi like sa production, mas nauuna sila rin huling uuwi. And of course, we want to give back yung suporta rin po na natatanggap namin sa lahat ng nakaka-appreciate ng pag-arte namin at kung paano kami bilang mga artista at syempre yung pagpapakilala ng mga pelikulang galing sa atin.
Thank you.
Okay, and I think Miss Natalie, yung sinasabi nila na breaking the wall, that's also one of what you can see between the characters of James and Girl. Di ba? Paano nga ba mabe-break ni Girl ang routine or ang patterns ni James? Let's see, abangan natin yan sa She Who Must Not Be Named. Next question will be from ABS-CBN, and let us please pass the mic on to Manila Santos. Miss Manila Santos, there you go.
Hi guys. So my first question is for Sir Bobby. So just to add to the
Stress on bigla. Yes.
yeah, just to add to the nostalgia, because you have been part of one of the most popular love teams during your time.
Yes.
And I'd just like to know, just to pick your brain, like looking back during that time, what did you enjoy the most about being one of the country's most popular love teams, and what did you find most challenging? And how do you think you would have thrived if you were a love team in this era right now?
Wow.
Pang ano yung question na yun
Parang three parts. Ano yung first again? Ano yung first part?
What did you enjoy the most about being a popular love team during the
Doon muna. What did I enjoy the most? I got to spend most of my time with people I care about. That is one.